Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make a calculator application in Microsoft's Visual Basic 2005. All we need is buttons, a text box and a really small amount of code. It's really simple to make. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Microsoft Visual Basic 2005. We can close the start page and open a new project, so Control N or File New. Choose a Windows application and you can call it what you want. We're going to call it Calculator. Click OK and wait for the project to load. And as you can see, it's loaded. And now what we want to add is we want to add two text boxes. So text box 1, resize it to the style and shape you want. Text box 2, click drop and drag. And now we want to add two buttons. Button 1, click drop, button 2, and a third text box now we want to add. So go and find the text box and insert the third one. Resize that to what you want, and then you can. And now we want to rename button 1. So go down to the properties, go down to the text of button 1, and change it to a plus symbol, and then press enter. Click on button 2, go down to the properties, do the same thing, except this time we want a dash, so a minus. Click, press enter, and then we get changes. Now you can resize the whole form, as it said, and you can change the title, so calculator, on form 1. Click enter, and as you can see, the title's changed. Now what we want to do is we want to enter the code for if you press button 1. So double click on button 1, and you should get the private sub. Now in private sub for button 1, type in if button 1 dot enabled equals true, then text box 3 dot text, sorry, because that's the third text box which shows the answer, equals val open brackets text box 1 dot text close brackets plus val text box 2 dot text close brackets. Now that means that text box 3, which will show the answer, equals the value of text box 1 plus the value of text box 2, so you're adding them together. So those two, if you press the third button, so now we'll see it in action. So we'll enter 4 plus 4, press plus, and as you can see the answer's there. So 4 plus 200 plus 800, we get 1000. So there we go. But now if you press the minus, nothing's happening, so now we enter the programming for the minus. Double click on the minus button and you get the private sub for that. Enter virtually the same code. If button 2 dot enabled equals true, then text box 3 dot text equals value, so val open brackets text box 1 dot text close brackets minus val text box 2 dot text close brackets, and there we go, that's the code for the minus. So if we enter, I don't know, 20 plus 10, minus 10, sorry, you get 10. So 20 plus 10 is 30. And there you go. That's how to make a quick, simple to use and easy to run calculator. Thanks for watching guys, more tutorials coming up soon. Please subscribe.